right, it's a Motiv night tonight, and we got the Subzero Forge. This is a pin in middle finger layout, and can't find the CG on there, but I bought this ball when it was brand new, and I thought it looked pretty cool. It gave me some pretty good scores, 240s, 250s. We'll see what we can do tonight. I haven't rolled with it in a while. We're dealing with dry lane post-league conditions tonight. Like I said, I got the Subzero Forge when it first came out last year. The wife got one too, and I haven't seen too many people roll with it out here. I've seen one or two other people roll with it. It's a very big symmetrical ball, and it might be a little bit too much for the conditions right now, but we'll give it a shot. I'm trying to go through all my bowling balls that I have and do a review on each one that I have. So we're going through the Motiv line right now. So what I brought tonight for Motiv is a Subzero. I've got the Primal Shock and the Venom Shock. And I also have my two new balls that I drilled up yesterday and today, the Ebonite Fireball and this Columbia 300 Pure Madness. It's a very hard hitting ball. When it hits good, it hits like a truck. I got most I got was an eight bagger with this one. Probably game 5 with it. Very hard hitting ball. I like the way this ball strikes. Take that. So I think out of my collection, the most balls I have from a certain brand are Motiv right now. I do like that they're made in the USA. A little bit on the pricey side, but they make some pretty damn good balls, and they're winning a lot of tournaments right now. So it didn't actually hook as much as I wanted to on that one. Alright, let's see if I can pick up my spares tonight. So the Subzero I'm having to toss a little bit faster than normal down lane just because the lanes are very dry. This is a heavy oil ball. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do 1 game reviews with all my balls that I have. I think right now I have 25. So yeah, some are gonna be old, some are gonna be new. I'm just going through the list. A bit too much in the middle on that one. A little too fast too as well. It's close to 17 miles an hour. I gotta go fast, but not that fast. So I had to laugh. The wife got me ShamWows for Christmas to wipe my bowling balls with, and they are probably the best thing I've ever used to wipe a bowling ball down. I've always get really high scores when I use them, and it's kind of like our secret now. ShamWow. So I got everybody in our league bowling with ShamWows, using ShamWows. So I think next season we're going to name our team the Team ShamWow. Everybody on leagues making fun of us. Where's your ShamWow at? Don't lose your ShamWow. Not a pretty strike, but a strike indeed. See if I can finish this game off with 3 more to go. Pretty nice. I got the whole alley almost to myself tonight. It's really nice. Tripping out everything on that one. 15.5 miles an hour. Seems like a good speed. I'll put the layout of this ball down in the comments because I forgot what it was right now off the top of my head. Kind of ruined that frame. Tried to put a little bit too much on it. Let's see if I can pick this up. You never know. Not quite. All right. So we've got 234, we had one open frame on the 10th for a 234, not bad with a Sub-Zero. I haven't bowled with this ball in maybe a couple months. So that's it. If you got any comments, like, subscribe, leave some comments below. If you have the Sub-Zero, let me know how it works for you. If you're looking to get the Sub-Zero, let me know. And until next time, see you on the lanes.